talk about navigation tools. So, using your three-wheeled mouse, in AutoCAD, it is more advisable to use a three-wheeled mouse because you'll use it oftenly when it comes to navigation. So, using a three-wheeled mouse, long press the middle wheel. So, when you long press the wheel, as you can see, there's that hand icon. And when you move around, you can see you're able to move around your drawing depending on the direction that you want to move your drawing to. This is called the pan command. Next, using the cursor, as you can see, we have this endpoint. So once you place the cursor there and you scroll in your mouse wheel, your drawing is going to be zoomed in where the cursor is. When you scroll out in the opposite direction, the drawing is going to be zoomed out. Let's say we need to zoom in this endpoint of this drawing. You just scroll in and your drawing is going to be zoomed at that particular place. The other thing, if you want to select objects in your drawing, you can just left click and select objects, and when you want to deselect them, you can just hit escape once on your keyboard.